Hi friends, I'm Emma. Today we're going to draw a small staircase together. Let's get started. First, I'll draw the frame of the stairs. We're going to draw some straight lines. Try to draw them nice and carefully. Now, let's add a few zigzag shapes. Next is a railing. When walking on stairs, remember to hold the handrail with one hand. Now we complete the little steps one by one. All done. Let's outline to make it nice and clear. Time to color. Wow, the steps are glowing in rainbow colors. Red. I'll start with red on the first step. Orange. Then comes orange. Oh look! A little kitten is playing with a yarn ball. Can you guess the next step's color? That's right, it's yellow. After yellow comes green. Green. The apple is peeking to see what color we'll use next. Wait! Oops! That line slipped in here by accident. Next is sky blue for the third step. Blue. Below is purple. Purple. Another cute kitten is sitting nearby. I wonder what it's going to do. The fourth step will be pink for sure. Pink. Aha! The kitten is being super playful. Red. And finally, red for the last step. That's all for the stairs. Now let's color the railing. We'll start with red for the two round posts. The handrail will be green. Green. The vertical bars will be blue. Done with the railing. Next is the wall beneath. Yellow. I think yellow fits well for the wall. I always love yellow. The calico cat is sleeping again. Such a sleepy cat. All done. We had so much fun drawing today. Thank you for drawing with me. See you in the next video.